Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you 10 super cool Amazon kitchen gadgets that you absolutely need to check out in 2024. These handy tools will make prepping your favorite fruits, veggies, and meals more faster and easier. Cutting up a large, juicy watermelon can be a messy, time-consuming task. But not anymore with the round watermelon slicer. This innovative tool features a circular stainless steel blade that cuts through thick rinds effortlessly. Just push down on the watermelon, and voila! You've got perfectly even slices in seconds. If you've ever struggled to cut and core a pineapple, this gadget will save the day. It works like a corkscrew, allowing you to easily remove the core and slice the pineapple into perfectly shaped rings. Not only does this make serving easier, but you can also use the hollowed-out pineapple shell as a fun bowl for drinks or fruit salads. Love pomegranates but hate the tedious task of removing the seeds? The Sliceter pomegranate prep tool is here to help. Simply slice the pomegranate with the built-in stainless steel blades, place a pomegranate half inside the tool, and tap it with a spoon. In just a few seconds, all the seeds fall neatly into the bowl below. No juice splatters or stained countertops. Enjoy fresh pomegranate seeds in your salads, desserts, or as a healthy snack without the hassle. This clever cutter is a game-changing 2-in-1 kitchen tool that combines the functionality of a knife and a cutting board. This unique design allows you to chop, slice, and dice vegetables, fruits, and cheese with just a single hand. It features a razor-sharp stainless steel blade and a spring-loaded handle that effortlessly cuts through your ingredients. The compact size makes it perfect for quick meal prep, whether you're slicing carrots for a salad or cutting cheese for a sandwich. Tired of using dull knives that crush your ingredients instead of slicing through them? The Bavarian Edge Knife Sharpener will bring your blades back to life. With its unique spring-action technology, it sharpens, hones, and polishes all types of knives, serrated, beveled, or straight-edged. Just pull your knife through the sharpener a few times, and it'll be as good as new. Chopping fresh herbs can be a tedious task, but not with the rolling herb cutter. This gadget features 9 razor-sharp stainless steel blades that roll across your herbs, mincing them quickly and uniformly. It's perfect for parsley, basil, cilantro, or any herb you need finely chopped. Just roll it back and forth over the leaves, and in seconds, you've got perfectly cut herbs ready for your recipe. If you're tired of manually chopping garlic, onions, herbs, or small veggies, this gadget is going to be your new best friend. With its powerful motor and sharp stainless steel blades, this mini chopper makes quick work of dicing and mincing, all at the push of a button. It's perfect for making salsas, salad toppings, or even baby food. The compact design is not only space-saving but also makes it ideal for small kitchens, RVs, or even for quick on-the-go prep. If you love fresh peas but dread the tedious task of shelling them, then you need the handy Pea Sheller in your life. This tool quickly and efficiently shells peas, saving you tons of time and effort. Just place your peas in the sheller, crank the handle, and watch as the peas are separated from their pods in no time. It's perfect for making fresh pea salads, soups, and side dishes without the sore fingers or endless hours of shelling. Turn your favorite vegetables into fun, healthy noodles with the hand-crank Spiralizer. It's perfect for making zucchini noodles, curly fries, or even spiral-cut apples. This Spiralizer comes with multiple blade options, so you can create thin spirals, thick noodles, or even ribbon cuts depending on your dish. Just attach your veggie, turn the handle, and watch as it transforms into beautiful spirals in seconds. Last but not least, meet the Whisk Wiper, the clever gadget that saves you from the mess and hassle of cleaning your whisk. Simply attach the wiper to the whisk before using, and when you're done mixing, slide the wiper down to remove every bit of batter or cream from the wires. No more wasting ingredients or struggling to clean sticky dough or cream off your whisk. It's dishwasher safe and fits most standard whisks, making it an absolute must-have for bakers and home chefs alike. So, there you have it, 10 cool Amazon kitchen gadgets to buy in 2024. Let me know in the comments which gadget you're excited to try.